Election is around the corner. I dey beg my fellow Nigerians, I dey beg una, I lay down. Now before that dey talk am say election or your vote no dey count, now e dey count now. Why I take know say e dey count now? Na our brother, our uncle Godwin Nwogerase Obaseki, na im own regime na me take know say vote e dey count. As dey try to do wuruwuru reach to make sure make Obaseki no win am, and dem no know say CCTV camera e dey around, dem no fit do am. So from there na me come get mind say free and fair election e dey and e dey count. So I wan beg our brothers and sisters wey dey social media, wey be dey do broadcasting, wey dey do MC, wey dey do comedian, wey dey do musicians, all our actors and actresses, actress and actor. So make we use our youth mind to stand for our brothers and sisters, to make sure below 40 years down, not the 50 years, 70, 90, no, because all those people, their brain don turn upside down. We dey talk am say civilization, all those people dem still know wetin dem call civilization, but dem no wan give civilization a room. Their brain don old. If you put dem for there as a president, as a governor, my dear sister, dem no get anything wey dem wan offer you, because na where dem dey go na im near dem pass. Dem wan enrich their pocket, dem wan try to save some money to make sure their generation to generation no go suffer. Dem no dey carry your when Buhari dey come, say e dey come with changes. The changes na to increase fuel, na im be the changes. The changes na to increase bag of meat, na im be the changes. The changes na to dey increase bag of rice, and to make everything go up. Na to ban dollar, and to ban euro, make euro no dey come, because im brothers wey be say dem dey share the model, dey do the exchange for Nigeria, dem no dey see work again. Na dem and the CBN, na dem still collaborate with the Italian or any place in the world to make sure make we no fit dey use our application take dey send money. So meaning say all those people dem no mean well for we at all. Buhari e no go fit talk am say e no dey aware of increment of everything. E no go fit talk am. Rod, name, zinc, aluminium, bag of rice, bag of garri, bag of beans, you no fit dey afford am. Okay, our president wan come talk say e no dey aware for all those mess, all those rubbish, all those nonsense. Sir, you are aware. The reason why be say you no wan talk put Alhaji Dangote, if I'm not lying, una from north, na you come from. You as a president, you are from north. That's why you are not talking about it. We no go talk, we no go cry, we no go even make any casino or any problem with anybody. You understand? 100 years is not forever. 100 years is not forever. But you don't want to live in a glass house, and you will be throwing stone to another man's that is living in a man's house. If they throw that stone to your house, it will destroy many things. So me, I dey beg our brothers and sisters, may we support any youth that come and say they want to become a president of Nigeria or assistant president of Nigeria. Let we give them chance. I believe my dream and my esteem and everything showed to me that they are the only person that know what you are passing through, that know your pain, that can defend you in any angle, any way. Please, we should give the youth and a woman. If any woman they will want to run for the election, come out. Everybody will support you. Thank God now this world we are now is a world of social media, and anything you are doing right now, it can be live. When you are doing it, somebody will put it on live, then we start to view it. So please, that is one thing. And for the issue of this meat, they should stop Dangote products. For Ghana, wey that country dey supply cement, how much they say they take dey buy cement? Say they even dey beg sef, e don even reach one. If they convert the money to Nigeria money, e no even reach 1.5. Gambia, Senegal, Cameroon, when I go price Dangote cement, e dey sell am cheap to another man's country. wey e no be im own country. Im own country e dey sell am there, meaning say dat man e no need progress of Nigeria. Because we dey patronize am, we dey follow am dey buy. We have Elephant Smith there, we have BUA, we have a lot of Smith. Because of Dangote, we think say na im go be the messiah wey wan save Nigeria. Na everybody abandon dat company, follow Dangote. Dem no know say dem just sell their right give Dangote. So please, my brothers and sisters, any Dangote product in Nigeria should be banned and cancelled and rejected. Let him manufacture im own product and use it by himself. Dem dey take am dey make parable say when oyibo no come, we no wear leaf, plantain leaf, we no wear am. When oyibo no still come, we no dey naked dey waka for street. So when Dangote never come, we dey build house, things dey go well. So why now be say na im be Dangote? So okay, without Dangote now, you no fit buy groundnut, you no fit buy flour, you no fit buy cement, you no fit buy anything wey you wan buy. Na only you wan be person for life or for Nigeria. So abeg, all those men, the reason why our leaders no dey talk put, dem dey benefit under Dangote. If dem no dey benefit under Dangote, their children dey benefit under Dangote, their family dey benefit under Dangote, and dem still get share for dat Dangote company. So na im cause am wey be say dem no dey talk put. How can a person go just wake up, you go say today na me be the richest man on earth, I wan make bag of cement be 4,500 or 5,000? Dat one no be rubbish? Okay, now who dey suffer, dey bring, dey grow up the corner, you no go fit afford all those things, and suffer go dey more. Woman go dey comot leave im husband because no proper care. Man go dey shout for im wife because no money. Your children wey suppose to be dey pamper because no money no dey. Anything wey dem demand, you say e never reach his turn, because e no dey. If your pikin dey use iPhone Pro Max, e no be bad thing. Because as you no get money to afford am, you no fit go kill yourself, you say e never reach. So I dey beg my brothers and sisters, na beg I dey. I no too get that voice, I no too get that I never get follower wey be say dem go help me share this thing, make this thing go viral. But I know that I no get follower, but God is my follower. God is my strength, and this fight we will fight am to the fullest, and we all will enjoy it. Our children will enjoy it, our generation to come, they will enjoy it. That is my prayer. We should not. You are a man. Okay.